So right now we're gonna go have late lunch, early dinner, something of the sort at Pitahaya Vegan restaurant. We're super excited because we hear that they have pink tortillas. So we just got back to our Airbnb from that restaurant. It was so delicious. We had the enchiladas and 3 different tacos, plus guacamole. So we're definitely gonna be back because I want all of that again. But I'm really, really tired, so I'm gonna relax right now. Max, you too? How do you like this living room at our Airbnb though? Check out the ceiling. Hello! So right now Max and I are getting some street food at a little vendor called Gatorta. We're gonna get some tacos. Taco number 1, pastor. 3 donuts. This one is strawberry, fresas, chocolate with Halloween figures, but I don't, oh, it's like cafe. Ooh. I'm gonna save the other one for later though. Now we're gonna have dinner in the neighborhood called Polanco at Forever Vegan. And we really wanted to come here because we both wanted kale salads, and they have kale salads. But we're also getting some coconut ceviche, so that's a little bit more unique than what we eat all the time at home. And soup too, and I don't know, maybe we'll order some extra stuff too if we're still hungry, we'll see. So the restaurant was pretty good. The salad definitely hit the spot. Now we're just waiting on a corner for an Uber to show up, to go home and get some rest for tomorrow. Alright, so now we're headed to another vegan restaurant. This one is called Vegan Inc. See, there's a theme here. A lot of the restaurants have vegan in the title so you don't get it twisted. And then after that we're gonna go to the Anthropology Museum. So we finally at 11:30 are eating. We were only waiting for like an hour, no big deal. The line was so long. It was worth it because we met some Sweet Potato Soul fans. If you guys are watching, hi! These are really delicious. Buenos dias. So we're having our breakfast and coffee right now. I'm having a decaf cappuccino right now. The barista put little baby feet on it. So sweet. So we found this place right by where we're staying. It's called Plan V Cafe. It's a fully vegan coffee shop and a little cafe. So I'm very hungry. I ordered waffles. Now we are at the Frida Kahlo Museum. There's a super long line. Love this blue. Isn't it so pretty? This is El Jardín. We cannot film inside or take photos, but this is my dream garden.
Freedom Museum was really wonderful. And now we're gonna go and have lunch. There are so many vegan restaurants around here. I mean, the whole city.
We found another restaurant. We are at Aura. Super cute. It's in a little food court. There's others back there as well. Been walking around the neighborhood San Angel, which is so beautiful. There's all these big homes and a lot of dogs everywhere. And now we're taking a little break, but this is definitely so far my favorite part of Mexico City because it's so quiet.
Very beautiful.
Beautiful, quiet. There's a lot of tree coverage. It's a lot cooler. There's nobody smoking cigarettes anywhere.
It's perfect for a pregnant lady.
La última noche, la última noche, última noche, la última noche, última noche, la última noche.
So cute.
Hey, so now we are at Teotihuacan. This is the Pyramid of the Sun. We brought our own food here for lunch from Siempre Vegano, and we have snacks and all that stuff. So far so good. Luckily it's pretty cloudy as well, and it's really not that hot, so far so good. Our last dinner in Mexico City, and we were craving pizza, so we're at a vegan restaurant called Utopia. Apparently they have really great pizzas. Here's Max. Hey Max! So now this is our very last meal in Mexico City for this trip. And we came back to my favorite place of the entire trip, La Pitahaya Vegana. And we're having the enchiladas and the enfrijoladas. Also the cilantro soup. And we're gonna take some more stuff to take on the airplane with us because obviously we cannot get enough. It's so delicious. So we're heading out, leaving Mexico City. We're at the airport right now. Sad to go, but we had so much fun. The vegan food was amazing. All the other things we did too, like going to the Freedom Museum and the Museum of Anthropology. It was great. So we'll definitely be back, and I hope you guys have a chance to visit soon. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.